Meet the Proof of Play icon. For the broadcast industry, it represents verified, tangible evidence of complete and correct airplay. It will assure advertisers and broadcasters alike that its underlying audio has undergone a 96-point integrity check and has been cleared of any questionable content or airplay disturbance. Now let's fetch a query for the activity of a particular commercial. As you can firstly see, most instances of this commercial have aired without issue. Let's listen to the first sample of the commercial.
Bye Resorts.
Hola, aquí está mi amiga Argelia Tilano, muy contenta porque aquí me vuelvo a reencontrar con...
And now a second sample.
Surgery.
Hola, aquí está mi amiga Argelia Tilano, muy contenta porque aquí me vuelvo a reencontrar.
And finally a third sample.
Hola, aquí está mi amiga Argelia Tilano, muy contenta porque aquí me vuelvo a
Now let's listen to what is questionable. Definitely questionable. In cases like this where inconsistent audio is found for whatever reason, pre-designated station personnel can be notified immediately to investigate. This prevents erroneous billing and detects any inadvertent or malicious activity. Each station's detection settings are fully customizable for the sensitivity and the samples required. Now, this example was produced by a fluke in Airplay and its reconciliation, but it clearly demonstrates a new level of automatic airplay integrity check, which gives broadcasters and advertisers a new tool to validate airplay clearance. So when you see this icon, it's truly proof of play.